Do you have loads of budget figures against your nominal ledger records and want to get rid of them? If you don't use the budgets, just leaving them there won't do any harm. However, it is very easy to reset them back to zero. You can do it one nominal code at a time, or do the whole nominal ledger in one go. To do it one nominal code at a time, just open the relevant nominal record, so nominal 4000 in my example, and then at the bottom of the budgets column, click into the totals column, type in 0, and then press tab. You'll then get a message asking you if you want to distribute that 0 value evenly over the existing values. So if we click yes to that prompt, it zeroes all the budgets out. We can then just click save, and that's it done, and then you would just need to repeat that for each nominal record. If you want to do this for all or a number of nominal records simultaneously, then you can use the global changes option. So if we just close out of this nominal record, and then if we go into tools, and then the first option, global changes, and then in step 1 we choose nominal budgets, so just highlight it, click next. Now we can choose the nominal codes we want to do, so we could just go down and select the relevant nominal codes for the budgets that we want to zero out, or if we want to do the entire nominal ledger, we can just click swap and it'll highlight everything on the list. So we've got them all selected, so we're going to do the full nominal ledger. Click next, and then we're asked to enter a value. So for the type of change at the top, from the drop down, choose give figure, and then the value, we set that to 0. Now because we've chosen the give figure option, you'll find the rounding direction and the other boxes, they're all greyed out, so we can't actually choose any of these boxes at this point. But all we want to do, type of change, give figure, and then set the value to 0. We then click next, and it will list every single month for every single nominal code that we've selected. So if we just take this first nominal code as an example, if we start scrolling down, you can see it lists months 1 through to 12, and it goes through every single nominal code. So as I say, if I just scroll down, you can see them all there. So it's every month for every single nominal code. Now we could print that, but as we're just resetting everything to 0, I'm not going to bother. So to reset it to 0, just click post. It'll give me a warning saying that the changes can't be reversed. Do you want to continue? So we just click yes. That's me back to the accounts desktop, and that's it done, and they've all been zeroed out. Very quick, very simple.